What's up everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna share you how you can fix the audio delay when you are doing the editing video in this CapCut. Particularly, I'm using the CapCut PC. So if you find that there is the lagging between the clip or the look of this video and also the sound here, so the very basic that you can try is always save your project first, and after that you can close from this CapCut first. Basically, this is the simply refreshment that you can try in this CapCut, because this can be also affected by the processor or the CPU on your PC that runs heavily, and you can simply close the another program that actually make this CPU working harder or heavy, and after that give the refreshment as usual, and then you can try again to open this CapCut. That was the first one, that is you can try the refreshment. And the second one here, you can go back to this clip that you are working on here. I'm gonna place it here. So if you still find that this audio still lagging, so you can try to extract this audio first that's still attached in this clip or this video. Select this clip, and after you select this clip, give the right click and then extract it first, which means it's gonna separate it from this clip with this audio. And after you extract the audio from this video, you can try these two tricks. In case when you play this all, that the audio show more forward or earlier than this caption, let's say, or the clip that you'd like to present. So you can start to move this audio a little bit later. And now you can start to check it out in case that it still happen. Or on the opposite, you find that this audio show later than the caption and also this clip. So you can move this extracted audio a little bit forward and always listen to the result. And if you find that it's already clear and following the caption and also the clip, so that's already done, and how you fix the delay of your audio in this video editing. So this is how you fix this audio lagging in this CapCut. And I hope this tool and this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't be hesitate to put it in the comment section. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.